They were going inside of it. There they go. Jackson, I was making a video.
They don't want to read. Okay. Go. Mama give you some cheese. Because you were so good and you didn't run from her. Oh, see it? Good boy, Clyde. Good boy, Sid. Sid. Good girl. That's all you said.
This is like the best ferret video I've gotten yet.
Bye.
Bye. They always hide stuff.
Here comes one of the dogs to ruin all the fun.
I don't know who to film.
Got double dogs.
Excuse the mess in the den. Okay, I guess that's it. They're all hiding. There's Margaret. No, that's Rigby.
Whoa, tackle.